Dumelang guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all the people who are tuning in for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Remember to click subscribe, hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. Anyway, today we're going to be making a homemade hemp seed milk, organic, vegan friendly milk guys. So you need to set your table guys, get yourself a blender, get you a cup to drink afterwards, get you some ingredients, and then get started. So I got my things ready guys. Like I've got my hemp seeds or hemp hearts, whatever you want to call them. I call them the hemp seeds. Yo guys, like I need to restock. Anyway guys, these are the dates. Okay, I had the grapes in as a woman, but anyway, and some spring water guys, spring water. So I'm gonna show you one day where and how I get my spring water. Remember to use 4 cups guys. 4 cups is 1 liter. So yeah, I prefer to use this jar so that I can get the measurements correct. First things first guys, so you're gonna take a 1/4 cup of your hemp seeds, you put it inside the blender. There you go. Make sure it's all in guys. Hi Nina. But anyway guys, just to add some flavor to the milk, I'm gonna put in 4 dates. You can put in 1, 2, it depends on what you like. I prefer 4, and then you add your spring water guys. If you want me to make a video to show you guys where and how I get my spring water, please comment below. Or you can just buy it in store guys. Mine I don't buy it in store, but when you can just go to any grocery store guys you can just go to any grocery store and then get yourself some spring water. You guys will tell me if you want me to post another video showing you guys when how I get my spring water. But if you don't say anything, I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, it's fine. So guys, you're gonna close up your blender, make sure it is well closed, and then you're gonna blend for 90 seconds. Some people prefer doing it for 60. Now I prefer doing it for 90. So you're gonna blend for 90 seconds. Looks like I've been blending since forever, but guys, bear with me. It's literally 90 seconds ish. There's your creamy hemp seed milk guys. You guys don't understand guys. I don't even know what to say guys. Like I always get excited every time I'm done making my milk. So I'm gonna put it in a glass just to taste guys, for it to be the way that I want. And then if not, I'm probably gonna blend again guys. This is the part where you decide if you want to serve your milk or just drink it as it is. I enjoy chewing on the shells, that's why I don't serve my milk, but you can serve it guys for best results. So you're gonna put it in a fridge for 3 to 4 days, and then yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you.